My dad here is gonna replace a trail brake bulb with the bulbs inside here, and this time it's gonna shine more brightly at night.
This is a Cree light.
Cree light.
All we have to do is just take those bolts out here. This is the 2013
Nissan Quest.
After do that,
This is Super Mario speaking.
to pull out here. Be careful. It's a little bit tight to take it out. I have to pull it back here.
Did you guys hear him? He has to pull. Now that he took the bulb out, he has to pull that. He has to pull that out. The headlights. No, the back headlights. Whatever you call those thingamajigs. Call me close.
Be closer. Be closer here.
I'm gonna be closer. It's about to explode. I'm just kidding. Trying to put some humor in here. For you viewers out there. Tú no puedes.
It's a little bit hard to take it off, but I will. You have to be careful always. Don't break it.
Papá,
Yeah.
esta
Here.
parte nada más que.
Speak English.
Okay.
Yeah, we have to pull the whole backlight back here. This is hard. I mean, it's hard to do it.
We'll cut this to the end. Well, we finally took the headlights off, and if you see here, here's the what, Dad, again?
This here is the thing that you have to take out from here. All right. No, don't touch it. There has it.
That thing right there.
Yeah, here. You have to take it out from here. Okay. For that reason, it's hard to take it out. You must do your force to pull it out. But finally, we did it without breaking it. And now this is the this one here is the trail light.
That was the trail light right there.
Take it
That's the
off.
trail light.
This is the original one. I'm gonna use new bulb here. Let's see how it works. I must test it first because this bulb have just one position. It doesn't come on, it doesn't turn on, you must turn it. Okay? Now let's try it this way.
Daily, vete. Well, we're back.
Okay, we're back, you're gonna test it. Don't put the turn on.
And you see now it works. It has to be in a certain position, or if not, this thing right here, you have to turn it around and then place it back in. And now you stick it in through there, and voila, brand new head backlight thing.
Okay, turn it off and we're gonna turn back on once the whole thing is on again. Together. Turn off.
Here's the bulb already on.
We're gonna put them back together, the part here.
We're gonna put the part back together on. How to do is just push it in perfectly.
Okay, here's something that have to be in here. Alright. The two nuts here, I mean the two balls here.
Two bulbs right there.
Yeah.
No apunté abajo.
Right, ready on. The other side.
The other side.
No sé qué tanto más.
Money, 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 money. Get on the pool. Money, money, money. Yeah, money, money, money. Either get on the pool or go in a hole. It's just money, money, money. Yeah, money.
Okay. All right, that's it. That was the 2013 Nissan Quest.
And make sure to smash that like button. Bye-bye. Here we're with the 2013 Nissan Quest. My dad just replaced the
trail back light bulb for the Cree kind of lights. But you're gonna see now that I had to put back the original in the left lights because it didn't work like I was expecting. I mean the Cree light doesn't bright like the original one. For that reason I want to show you now to don't spend the money in that kind of light. Let me show you which one is the light that I bought. Okay, this kind of light doesn't work good. And I'm gonna show you now. In the left side you're gonna see the original light bulb, and the right side you're gonna see the Cree lights. You're gonna see the difference now. I'm gonna push the brake.
As you can see, that one's using more light than the other one. This one is the new one that my dad bought and he just showed you, and this one is the original.
The right side is the new one, the left side is the original.
So I expect you not to buy these kind of light if you want extreme bright lights. So yeah.
Thank you.
Bye bye.